Hi guys, welcome to Cooking with Claudia. Today, I'm showing you how I make 3 of my favorite iced tea recipes. We're making lemon, strawberry, and peach mango iced teas. These are so refreshing for the hot summer days. Let's get started with our very first iced tea, which is strawberry. I really love strawberry drinks. We're going to start by making some black tea. Make sure the water you're using for the tea is very hot. Place 2 bags of black tea into the hot water. Cover it up, then let it steep for 5 minutes. Make sure you don't steep the tea for too long, otherwise it may become bitter. Remove the tea bags, then carefully use a spoon to press and drain out all the tea concentrate. Once the tea is brewed, place it in your fridge or on your countertop to cool down completely. Next, you're going to grab some fresh strawberries. Make sure you wash and slice these. Place them into a blender or a food processor, then blend until completely smooth. Add some cold water to the blended strawberries, mix, then pass it through a sieve to remove all the strawberry seeds and make the juice even smoother. Add some honey to the strawberry juice, then mix everything together. Next, grab a pitcher. I'm using a mason jar, then pour the strawberry juice into it. Next, pour the completely cooled down brewed tea into the strawberry juice, then mix everything together. Once everything is mixed in, you can taste and add more honey depending on how sweet you want this to be. I'm going to pour some ice into a tall glass, then top it with the strawberry iced tea. This strawberry iced tea is so refreshing and bursting with strawberry flavors. The next iced tea we're making is mango peach. The combination of mango and peach is so good. We're going to start by steeping the tea. This time we're using green tea. Allow the tea to steep for 5 minutes, then carefully remove the bags by pressing them with a spoon to remove all the tea concentrate. Set it aside to cool completely. Next, you're going to grab some peaches and a mango. We're going to cut up the peach and mango, then put them into the food processor, then blend until completely smooth. Pour the blended fruit into a pitcher or a mason jar. I did not pass the juice through a sieve this time because I like the texture of the juice. Pour in the cooled green tea. Add some cold water, then add some honey. Go ahead and mix everything together, and that's it. It's time to serve. This mango peach iced tea is the perfect drink to cool you down this summer. It's so refreshing. Last but not least, we're making a calming lemon mint iced tea. So just like the other iced teas, we're going to brew some green tea and let that sit and cool completely. While the tea is cooling, we're going to cut and juice a whole lemon. Make sure you remove all the lemon seeds from the juice. Next, we're going to add some fresh mint. I like to smush them with my fingers before adding them to the lemon juice to help bring out their flavor. Add some honey and some cold water, then mix everything together. Next, pour the mixture into a pitcher or a mason jar, then add the cooled green tea. Mix everything together very well, and that's it. It's time to serve. The flavors of lemon and mint in this iced tea makes it so calming and relaxing. I really had fun making these iced teas. I hope you guys try them because they're so good. All ingredients and measurements will be in the description box. I will see you in my next video. Bye!